Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing something with bananas that look like this, and that are soft. Usually a lot of people throw these away, but stick with me and I'll show you what to do with them. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so. Click on the bell and get the latest updates and recipes. To follow this recipe, look in the description below. Okay, so it looks pretty soft. I mean, you could probably make banana bread out of this, but everybody's bored of banana bread. This one's not too bad, but it's very soft again with this one. So what we tend to do at home, we'll take a Ziploc bag and we will I'll take the inner side of the banana and we'll pop it straight into the Ziploc bag. I'll show you that in a minute. We try and use everything we can in our house, even if it doesn't look very good, but I know the banana's not great, but there's nothing wrong with the banana itself, it's only the skin. And a lot of people nowadays, just because of the look of the banana or the fruit veg, they'll discard it. But again, pretty good, nothing wrong with it. It might be a bit soft. What I'm going to do now is close this, seal this, and I'll pop this into the freezer for the next 2 to 3 hours. Once it's frozen, we'll do some magic with it. I'll see you soon. Hi everybody, welcome back to Jaffa Cooks, and today, as promised, we're going to finish the banana milkshake recipe. So, about a few hours ago, we froze the bananas, and this is what they look like. And if you open the bag, it really smells strong of bananas. Obviously, that's what they are. But the point was, the darker the banana, the more caramelization that happens to it naturally. So we used 3 different types of bananas. One was really brown, and it looked as if it was worthwhile just throwing it away. As I mentioned, there's no need to throw any of the bananas away. We can use them for milkshakes. So today we're going to finish the recipe using frozen bananas and no ice cream at all. You can sweeten the recipe accordingly with maybe some sugar syrup, some maple syrup, or some honey. But I think our caramelized bananas are sweet enough, so we're going to refrain from putting any kind of additional sweetener in it. Just before we proceed, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so. Click on the bell icon for all the new updates and recipes, and if you want to follow the recipe in detail, look at the description below. And if you really like my banana milkshake, give me a thumbs up. Alright, so it's simple. I've got a blender. My blender's, it's not industrial, but it is quite heavy duty, because we make a lot of milkshakes. If you haven't already got one, and you've probably got one of those hand whisks that we used to have in the beginning, just cut up your bananas a bit more into smaller chunks. So I'm just going to put mine as they are. So I'll pop a few bananas in there frozen. You can actually still snap them in half very easily because they're frozen. And you know, you can put as many bananas as you want to make it thicker or thinner, depending on your requirements. Okay, so I've got around about 400 ml of full fat milk. I'm just going to position that all in there. And again, if you want to put ice cream, you can, but we're not going to use ice cream at all. We're just going to go straight to frozen bananas. Okay, so I've had to alter my recipe because somebody shouted that they wanted some banana milkshake as well. So I'm just going to I popped in some additional bananas, and I'm going to put another couple of 100 ml of milk, and that's what happens in their house. Start cooking something, and everybody wants additions to it. Okay, so our banana milkshake's ready. I'll come back and see you in a few minutes when I'm serving up. See you in a short while. Okay, so welcome back. I took the liberty of my milkshake glasses and I put them into the freezer just to give them that extra chill. And one of my children, as we were making the amendments, she ran downstairs and she said she wanted some chocolate syrup on the side of her milkshake. So I'm just going to drizzle some chocolate syrup. And as simple as this, that's it. There's my thick banana milkshake. No mess, no fuss, just good wholesome ingredients. No ice cream, no additional sugar, natural caramelization, and ready to drink. Finish off, thick straws. Give me a great thumbs up. See you again. Bye.